Hello students. So today we will learn about PowerPoint presentation. So first of all, what is the use of this PowerPoint presentation? PowerPoint presentation is the collection of slides. Okay, you can create so many slides in this presentation. Okay, you can create your notes, you can represent your notes to someone else also. Okay, by using this PowerPoint software. ओके नाउ व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ स्लाइड्स फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे आपकी नोटबुक में बहुत सारे पेजेस होते हैं जो आप नोट्स बनाने के लिए होते हैं, ठीक है ना। अगर एक पेज ख़त्म हो जाता है तो आप नेक्स्ट पेज स्टार्ट करते हो लिखना, ठीक है। तो सेम प्रेजेंटेशन में भी ऐसे ही है कि इट्स अ कलेक्शन ऑफ स्लाइड्स। ओके, एंड व्हाट इज़ अ स्लाइड? स्लाइड इज़ अ पेज ऑफ द प्रेजेंटेशन। Okay, now see, this is the interface of PowerPoint presentation. Okay, to create a first slide, you will click on this button. You can see, click to add first slide. You can see this is the first by default slide is there. Okay, here you will write the title. Okay, for example, I have written computer. Okay, and here you can write your name. Okay, now next thing is how to create a second slide. You can see on home tab here is one option, new slide. You will click on it and you can choose your layout. Okay, or you can see theme. Okay, if you want to select this theme, then you can select this one. Okay, and here you can write your next topic. Okay, and here you can explain it. Okay, this is your first slide and this is your second slide. Same as notebook, same as like your notebook, this is your first page and this is your second page. Okay, now next thing is how to change the design of this slide. Okay, you will go to design option and here is so many design, and here you can see, okay, so many designs are there. Then go to home button. Now you can see, here is, this one is known as title bar. Okay, and this one is known as your menu bar. Okay, and this one is your quick access toolbar. Okay, these are your slides. Okay, and this is your notes. Okay, notes page. Okay, now next is how to execute these slides, means how we can see these slides on a full screen of a computer. Okay, so first of all, to see this, we will go to slideshow and here is one option that is from current slide, or you can use from current slide. Okay, you can see like that. Okay, so what are the steps to execute it? You will go to slideshow and here is one option from current slide. Okay, you can execute like that. Okay, and second way to execute this presentation file is you can press F5 from your keyboard. Okay, like that. Okay, so this is the thing. Now practice it. Okay, and create one presentation.